In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the playback speed in the Audible app on iPhone. If you've ever wished a book moved a little faster or needed to slow a complex section down, adjusting playback speed is the perfect tool. I'll walk you through the exact taps to make this quick and easy, and share a few tips so you find a speed that feels comfortable and keeps the story or information clear. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. Once it loads, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Library. This is where all of your content lives. To focus on your books, tap Audiobooks. That filters out other items so you're only seeing the titles you can play in the Audible player. Find the audiobook you want to listen to and tap it. This will open the title and begin playback, usually from where you last left off. You'll see a small player bar appear at the bottom of the screen with the book's title and basic controls. Go ahead and tap that player bar to open the full player view. This expands your controls and makes the speed option easy to access. In the full player, look near the bottom left corner for the speed button. It shows your current speed, like 1x, 1.25x, or something similar. Tap that speed button. A list of speeds will pop up. You'll see options such as 0.8x, 1x, 1.25x, 1.5x, 1.75x, and 2x, depending on your app version. Tap the speed you want. For many listeners, 1.25x or 1.5x keeps narration natural while shaving time off longer books. If you prefer a brisker pace and can still follow comfortably, 1.75x or 2x might work. If the narrator has an accent or the content is technical, slowing down to just under 1x can make a big difference. The change takes effect immediately, so you can hear the difference right away and adjust again if needed. If it feels too rushed or too slow, tap the speed button and pick another option until it sounds right for you. Your chosen speed typically stays in place for that audiobook, making it easy to set and forget. That's all there is to it. Open Audible, go to Library, choose Audiobooks, pick your title, open the full player, tap the speed button, and select the speed that suits you. Try different speeds for different genres, and don't be afraid to tweak as you go. With the right playback speed, you'll get through more books while keeping comprehension and enjoyment high.